Welcome, guys. First, let's extract our orange juice, which we're gonna be using on the cake. Hey guys, I'm baking an orange cake and I have these 3 eggs. I'm gonna be adding sugar, a lot of sugar, guys, and then my juice. Sorry for bumping you guys. Cereals looking in. So I give this a mix. Make sure it's well combined. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So this is just sugar. Sorry for that. Just making sure everything is combined. So the next ingredient that I'm going to add is just a pinch of salt, and then I have my milk over here. This is not milk, it's oil, vegetable oil. Then I'll add margarine, the same amount with the oil. Then I have my orange juice, guys. Those are 2 oranges. Then I have my essence, which is orange essence. Then I'm gonna give that a mix. So the next thing I'm adding is this is 20 gram milk powder. Then I have milk, which I'm gonna be adding a little bit. Then the other one I'll use when I'm putting my self-raising flour. So let's mix this. So guys, it's time to add my self-raising flour. Self-raising flour has the agents, the raising agent, so you don't have to add baking powder. So I'm gonna use this because we don't wanna again overmix. So make sure I get a good what do I say the word? So continue adding until I get the right texture. I'm gonna use the name texture. So I'm gonna list ingredients that are easy to use and arrive to a very nice cake. So I'm gonna still add more. I want a very big cake for my family and to share with you guys. You can come, we share. So I think I got the right texture for now. So the milk that remained, it's for adding in case my texture is not right. I can see my texture now is okay. Let's mix a bit more. So baking a cake is very easy, but you have to be careful when you're mixing. I'm not an expert, but I love baking. So the texture is right for me. This is a nice texture. So let's get the tin. So guys, I'm gonna remove this with the spatula just to see if there's any bump left, like flab bump. So I'm gonna be baking with this silicone tin. So I'm gonna pour my mixture in here, as you can see. gonna be a very big cake. It's an orange cake. So this one you can remove with a spatula. It's very easy to remove with a spatula. So I'm gonna make sure I remove everything in this, in here, in my bowl. Yeah. And so the cake is ready. My oven is warm. So we're gonna be getting this in the oven. So I'm gonna do like this. And then let's get it in. So we're going to bake our cake for 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes under 180 degrees. Guys, our cake is ready. Here you go. I left it to cool down, and let's remove it from the tin. We're gonna loosen the center because I don't want my cake to tear, and then we get it out. It's kind of warm. Let's remove it, cut it, and then we see how it is inside. So guys, make sure you try this recipe. I'm gonna leave a recipe that you guys can use and get the same results. So we're gonna cut and see. There you go, guys. Our cake is well done. It's an orange cake, as you know, guys. So let's see. It's really soft, but it's crunchy on the top because it's still warm. That's why it's crunchy on top. So there you go. Really nice. Yeah, and the color looks good and it's well done. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Leave a message. Let me know what you think about this cake, and subscribe, like the video, and let me see you on another video. And also go watch my other videos. Bye guys.